Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Nerf gun with Joshua, and he's doing an intro there. And make sure you check his channel out, and we're gonna play a Nerf war with him. And this is my base over here, and this is his base. This is his base. So I hear. Oh, make sure. So I'm just gonna set this iPad or maybe the computer.
Because he has a loud voice, so just
Shut up, Josh. I don't have a loud voice. You have a loud voice. So, okay, Joshua, you have to set your camera now. Okay, okay, fine. Wait. Oh, we just have to shot him in the head and he's down. Joshua, like that. Hey, Joshua, get ready. Get up. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Wait. 5. Let's do this, guys. Come on. Let's do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ran out of ammo, and if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So see you guys for the next video. Hoo-ha!